Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulations that are programmed to think and learn like humans. There are two main types of AI, narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task or a set of tasks, possess the broad range of abilities that a human brain does. Examples include virtual personal assistants, image recognition software, and voice-controlled systems. Achieving true general AI remains a significant challenge and is the subject of ongoing research and speculation. AI can be further categorized into machine learning, a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms, and statistical models that enable computers to improve their performance on a task through learning from data. Deep learning has been particularly successful in tasks such as image and speech recognition, impacting various aspects of our daily lives, including healthcare, finance, education, entertainment, and more.